everybody, what's up? It's Jeds, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I got my crimped hair by using my new Amazon crimper. That is not right. Okay. Take 850 million. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Jez, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I got my crimped hair by using my new Pretty Queen crimper that I got from Amazon and my Shuby Surf Beach Spray from Beach Waver. So let's get started. So I bought this crimper off of Amazon for $29 and I have the link below. So first I set it to 200 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, but I set it to 200 degrees and it is a pretty big size barrel. When I was looking at a lot of the reviews on YouTube, it kind of, sorry, there's like hair caught in it. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, did I just order something that was really small? And to be honest with you, I was really surprised with how big it actually was. It is should be a 1 inch. Yeah. It's a 1 inch crimper and it can go up to 210 degrees Celsius. So I have it on 200 degrees Celsius right now. So first off, just like with my Beach Waver, and what I did, my hair is looking, my hair is looking a little rough. Anyways, and especially with this quarantine, look at those roots, ladies and gentlemen. How lovely are these roots? Yes. First I start out with just sectioning off my hair like normal. And I just pull it to each side. I have pretty thick hair. Okay. So the way I use this crimper is I always start at the front whenever I'm doing my hair up underneath, and then I move to the back, and I don't know why I do that, but it's just a habit. And you don't want to take a lot of hair. So I noticed the more hair you take, the longer you might have to keep it on there. So basically I just start at the top right here and I hold it for about 10 seconds. And then I just move it. Sometimes I leave like an inch out, sometimes I won't. Today I'm not. And then you get that little crimp. Look how good that looks. So let me do this again. It's starting to get like really windy outside. So you want to take like a half of an inch of hair. You don't want to take like a full thing of hair. Start at the top. And make sure the hair is like in the middle. And you just go down. Just leave those alone, and then I'm gonna finish up the rest. And I will probably fast forward this section right here. I know the sound is gonna feel alright. Feet on the ground, but I just wanna fly. Sing it out loud until our engines die. Can't get away, 'cause baby, you're my glue. Try to escape, but girl, I'm stuck on you. Trading for something new. I'm so high. I don't know where we're going, but I like what you were showing. I'm so high. I can't see what we're doing, but I love your body moving. one side so far. Hopefully I got every single piece because I'm not really checking, but it looks like I did get every single piece. So here's one side so far. This side is always my good side. Like, I always have a tendency to do this side really good. And then I don't know what happens to this side. It just kind of, I don't know. But over here I do start from the back and then I work my way forward.
Can't get away 'cause baby you're my glue. Try to escape but girl I'm stuck on you. Never wanna trade it for something new. I'm so high. I don't know where we're going, but I like what you were showing. I'm so high. I can't see what we're doing, but I love your body moving. Baby, you're my I don't know where we're going, but I like what you were showing. I'm so high. I can't see what we're doing, but I love your body moving. I'm so high. I don't know where we're going, but I like what you were showing. I'm so high. I can't see what we're doing, but I love your body moving. I'm so high.
So I went ahead, this is a finished product. It's a little bit big. I've always noticed though, like after using this, I've used this for about 2 weeks now, and after using this, I've noticed that if I sleep on it, it kind of like dies down a little bit. But once I get done with all of this, once I get done after crimping everything, then I use my Shubi Surf Spray, Beach Spray by Beach Waver, and I just spritz it in. And I am good to go. I've got this one little hair. Oh my gosh. Look at that little hair. It bothers me. But yeah, so this is the finished product. Like I said, I will have everything down in the description below, so make sure you check those out. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and stay safe and healthy. Love y'all.